Our production, and we have, agreed on how we are going to progress production of at least 200,000 acres of sunflower, moving it from just 4,000 acres previously. And we want to thank the national government for that cooperation and support. And I'm here representing the Council of Governors, the entire governors team, and particularly the counties that are going to be running with the sunflower project. But I think it is a risk that has been outlined, but we will proceed because the risks are part of life. So we will proceed, but knowing that El Nino, yes, is a risk, because if it overrains, then there will be parts of the country that probably will be affected. But it is a risk that is noted.
And the nearest we could get seed was in Zambia. So our officers, including our Director General, and to go there and get seeds. And this morning we finalized all the approvals we needed, and we are almost confident that in 2 weeks' time we'll have the seeds here with us in the country, which will be distributed to 24 counties. These 24 counties have been selected as a pilot scheme, because we want to spread it to almost all the counties which are able to grow sunflower.
But today we are here because we have a new project known as Edible Oil Crops Promotion Project, which became effective 1st of July, and it will take about 5 years. And we have set clear targets which we want to achieve by the end of this 5 years project. But as you are aware, the mandate of the national government is primarily policy, and the mandate of implementation of actual projects actually lies in the counties. So we have called the counties that are potential to produce or are currently producing all crops like sunflowers, so that we can discuss and come up with a clear roadmap on how we are going to start implementation of this very critical project.